Hello and welcome to Party Paper Tears. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a 20 by 20 party prop using foam board, cardstock, and my Cricut machine. And the best part is we're making it do double duty. So sit back and relax and I'll show you how to put this character together. And also I'll be putting any measurements and other materials that I use in the description area. Okay, so we're finishing up with the first layer of this party prop. And so I noticed when I got done, I had some other ideas come to mind that I wanted to share with you. And not only is this doing double duty for the party, but you can use this as room decor. As you saw, you can put it over a pegboard and make it very useful in your children's room. You can put it over a cork board or a dry erase board. Any of these options will be really cute as wall decor in your children's room. And now we're moving into the second layer, which is the foam board. And as you can see, I just took a pencil, I traced around the image, and I cut it out with my X-Acto knife. Now I'm showing you that I applied it to the back. I did use glue to apply it because I wanted to give it stability, more stability, and I believe liquid glue does that, at least for me, when I'm making these party props. Now this is a recycled piece of poster board with a sky type of image on it, and I just use my tape runner to apply some adhesive on the side so that I can press it on the back. And the tape runner adhesive is less tacky, so that helps when you need to remove the back and use this as a photo frame. Now it's time to decorate our tablet, and I'm just using some images that my grandson likes. Buzz Lightyear is his favorite character, and he's turning 7. And I wanted to also incorporate some characters from the Toy Story 5 movie, so I downloaded some characters to Design Space and attached them and did a printing cut, and then I printed them out on some sticker paper, and there you have it. This is the finished product. I did add a few more images. I'm gonna personalize it a little bit more off camera, but this is pretty much the finished product. I would like to thank you for joining me today. And if you like this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.